Hey ARMY! In this video, I'm making a special BTS inspired keychain, featuring the initials of all 7 members, the BTS logo, and ARMY's symbol. This is a small way to show love and appreciation for BTS and the amazing ARMY family around the world. Just like this circle keychain, BTS and ARMY are endless. No beginning, no end, only forever. Every round shape reminds us of unity, 7 members, 1 family, and millions of ARMY. BTS taught us to love ourselves, and through ARMY we learn to share that love with the world. This is not just a keychain, it's a small symbol of big dreams, music, and love that connect us. Step by step, piece by piece, just like this handmade art, BTS built their journey with ARMY. Even in the smallest things, we find the greatest meaning. That's the magic of BTS and ARMY. No matter how tough life gets, BTS remind us that we're never walking alone. This circle represents eternity, the bond between BTS and ARMY that time can't break. Every color, every detail, every touch carries the love we feel for the boys who inspire us. Through music, through love, through unity, BTS and ARMY create a world full of hope. Hope you enjoy watching the process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more BTS-inspired creations.